This.
What's that?
This.
J.
This.
Go over here. Mommy's gonna hold them up. Liv, what's
A.
what's that? A?
A.
Good job. What's this?
O.
L. Good job. What's this one?
O.
O. Good job. What about this one?
H.
H. What about this one?
I.
I. What about this one?
S.
No. What shape? What letter is that?
A.
Is that P?
B. J. D. Q.
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 What about this one?
B.
What about this one?
C.
C. What about this one?
Over.
No, what is that?
D.
D. Good job.
A.
What about this one?
W.
The W when it's like this. When it's like this, it's an E.
E.
E. What about this one?
F.
F. Good job.
E.
What about this one? What's this, Liv?
A.
What is this?
F.
G.
D. A.
What about this one, Liv? Livy, what's this one? What's this one?
A.
What is this?
F.
R.
O.
What about this one?
S.
S. Good job. What about this one?
Y.
Good job. What about this one? Livy, what's this one?
W.
No. What letter is that?
D.
Z. What about this one? Livy, what's this one? Livy Grace. Can you dance? Livy. Hey, Liv, what's this one?
A.
N.
And 1.
What's this one? Livy.
A.
No, what shape is this?
Yeah.
Oh, not shape. What color? Oh my gosh. What letter?
Z.
K.
Z.
What's this? Liv, what's this?
T.
T. And what's this one?
W.
It's a W when it's like this. When it's like this, what is it? An M.
M.
M. And then this is one is a W.
A W.
What about this one?
Y.
X.
X. T.
Why don't you put them back and tell Mommy what they are?
E.
Oh, which one's that one, Liv? I forgot that one. What's that?
I got nickel.
A triangle.
Y.
What letter is that, Liv? What's that one?